Mark, we need to talk.
What's wrong, Lisa? You look really upset.
It's my family. They don't approve of our relationship.
What do you mean? We've been together for 2 years now. I thought they liked me.
It's not that they don't like you as a person. They just don't think you're a good match for me because you don't have a stable income.
I know things have been tough, but my business is starting to pick up. It just takes time, Lisa. You know that.
I know, Mark. I believe in you. But my parents, they don't understand that. They want me to be with someone who can provide for me now, not in a few years.
Lisa, I love you. I'm doing everything I can to make my business successful. I know it doesn't look like much now, but I'm making progress. You've seen the new clients we've been getting.
I have seen it and I'm proud of you. But it's hard to convince them when they see me struggling. They worry about my future.
I understand their concern. But please, give me a little more time. I promise I will have a stable income soon. I want to build a future with you, Lisa.
I don't know, Mark. What if it takes longer than you expect? I don't want to wait forever.
It won't be forever. I'm already seeing improvements. You know, most businesses take time to become profitable. The first few years are always the hardest.
What if my parents never accept you? What if they never see things the way I do?
Then we will prove them wrong together. Show them that our love is strong enough to overcome any obstacle. I'll work harder, and we can find ways to make them see how serious we are about our future.
I want to believe that, Mark. I really do. But I don't want to lose my family either.
I understand, Lisa. Family is important. But you're important to me too. Can we try to find a balance? Maybe I can talk to them, explain my plans and how I'm working towards a stable income.
You think that would help? You talking to them?
It might. At least they'll see that I'm serious about you and our future. And maybe, just maybe, they'll start to come around.
I'll try, Mark. I'll talk to them and try to make them understand. But you have to promise me that you'll keep pushing forward. We need to show them that we can make this work.
I promise, Lisa. I won't let you down. We'll get through this together.
Okay. I'll do my best to convince them. Let's not give up on us.
Thank you, Lisa. I love you so much. We'll make it through this, I promise.
I love you too, Mark. Let's face this together.